This week I craft the most stunning live edge coffee table for a local client. You will not believe the transformation, how I get there. Well, that's what I'll be sharing with you. As a full-time carpenter transitioning into the world of woodworking, or at least trying to, I'm still learning every day. My passion for creating custom pieces grows every time I get the opportunity to create a new piece. I've been lucky enough to be commissioned to make a beautiful live edge coffee table for a client in my local town, and I jumped at the opportunity. Some of you may be wondering why on earth there's 3 slabs laid out at the bench at this point, and I'm going to explain why. The client has requested a live edge coffee table for their living room to place in a corner between an armchair and a sofa. Sounds simple enough, just one problem. The slab required needs to be 3 foot wide to accommodate the space that they've got, which, if you know your slabs, that's one very expensive and very big slab. Without question, I said I could manage the task and left the problem solving until later. I guess by later I kind of mean now, as in right now you can see me attempting to solve the issue of the finished 3 foot width. I already had a long 3 meter oak slab in stock which had been broken and needed to be cut down into 3 individual pieces for storage. So I thought, is there a way I can join all 3 pieces to get the desired width? Well, the answer to that is yes. I mean, it sounds easy enough, but it wasn't without its challenges. This had to look like one piece of wood. Grain selection and orientation was key here. So let's see how I got there, or how I believe I got there, should I say. I'll let you be the judge. So for the last few turns of the ratchet, this project's come to an end. Let's take a look at the final piece. Here's a few shots I took with my camera before I delivered to the client's house that day. Thank you for sticking around and watching. I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch my videos, watch what I do. But I would love to hear from you guys, whether that's feedback on the video, like, a comment, subscribe, stick around for more, whatever you guys want to do. I'd love to hear from you all out there. Thank you for your continued support. Stay safe and we'll see you again.